Hello boys, and welcome to the new part of car mechanical fails.
No. We're completely fucked. We're completely fucked.
Ford Fusion little transmission farting issues due to overload of Mexican food last night. In this clip, customer got 2 pieces of his hull shaft. Pay less, get more. Here the mechanic said that the pressure in all 4 tires about 100 psi. Damn, this is crazy. The bigger not always mean better. When the people said that the blinker fluid is meme, no, it's real for some people.
But wait, there's more.
Well, the customer just rolled in and stated that the clutch is fine and they can replace it later. It can be fine, but I think 20 miles ago. Maybe the glue and a little GB weld can help it. This is the worstest clutch disc I ever saw. Customer states she was driving alone and all of a sudden her car got a little louder. Yeah. You just broke an exhaust manifold. I can't imagine how loud this car can be with an open head.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up.
No comments.
Fucked up.
This struts must be.
In the bin.
Here's the release set video of what time can do. Customer states he keeps adding water to his tractor, but it keeps disappearing and it's not leaking onto the ground. Plugs just rusted out. 3 speeds of water.
Thing's got 3 speeds. Here, there, and gone.
The stupidity makes big issues and can cause a big paychecks. Customer states that the car is overheating. Alright, customer strikes again. Customer states that he hit a pothole. Look at the condition of his suspension. The suspension already seen a millions of potholes and abusement. All of the suspension parts, bushing and ball joints got destroyed. The baddest ball joint in the world. 2010 Chevy Impala sold from an auction. Quality of the previous mechanical works here is like, my body know how to fix it. I think a new owner must be a little worried about condition of his new car. So here is no comments, just look at this.
Cotter pin. How about a finishing nail?
Yeah, that's no big deal, right? And then we got that. Yeah, just slap some new struts in there. Don't bother to check anything else or do a good job.
And a big thank to you guys for watching. Don't forget to press a like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. I believe we can finally hit a 1000 subscribers mark. And don't forget to submit your clips. See you in the next part. Goodbye.